Yeah, tomorrow we'll poke that valve stem down into that valve head right there, and then we'll peen the end of it over, and we'll have a valve for a 3 horsepower M. Oh yeah, fitted that Babbitt bearing right there. Fitted that to that crankshaft right there. I believe it'll be all right. Low flying helicopter from here in Middle Tennessee. The geographical center of something. Shop dog sound. What I made today. From here in Middle Tennessee. The geographical center of something. Shop dog sound. Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna clean them up anyway. That's the two studs that goes in here. But and the two shorter one goes on this side. I done chased them out there with a tap or 1/2 13 on that thread. But to make it easy to put that cylinder sleeve in there, it's a little close. So we need to file out the inside of them holes right there where they'll go up on that right there. And then we'll use that to pull that. Yeah, it'll work. Yeah. All we have to do is to file that hole out right there a little bit. Now we'll need a pretty good sized round file on that there. I'll get one. Oh yeah, that steel's pretty hard right there. That file worked really good. I think that'll be good enough. Well, I'm going to kind of. I'll show you something. It's just got a little burr around it there. I wanted to knock that burr away, like that. We'll do all 4 of them. Oh yeah. You know when you make a tool to do something easier, just go ahead and knock the tool out. It's my philosophy. Oh yeah. Let's go there and give that a try. We'll use that to push that 6 inches is what we're dealing with. That's that perforated angle iron right there. Let's see if it fits. Oh yeah. Crossways like that right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See, it didn't take much. Just there was definitely no reason to drag out any power tools in this situation. Just take a hand file to it in a swivel of ice. But and we'll paint this. Call this homemade tool. I have one, but not for the 3 horsepower. The way the last 2 I put in, I used this thing right here. And you run this up on the back here, on this end. Yeah, that's the way that worked. You put this plate on back here like this, and put the other plate up here on the sleeve, and you turn that. It's kind of, it works, but it's kind of awkward to use, this method. And those sleeves are not hard to put in there. In a real world, the sleeve and the block never touches each other. There's some distance of clearance in there. It's like whatever the measurement is, but the O-ring takes up that difference. It's not metal to metal fit. Look it up. Make a note in over on that page. They got no writing on it. Oh yeah. Well, I should get a couple of all threads to go here. And in the way that's going to work is I'll put the sleeve in there, the O-ring will be in the block, and when I get it up in there tight like that, I'll put this thing right here on here like that right there, beep, and take the impact probably to it and cinch them nuts up, and it'll just push that sleeve right on up to the block. And I do, this is one of the places I do use a modern I do put a little silicone around that O-ring right there. Y'all seen me do it before, so I'm gonna get on with that. Oh yeah, them will work just fine. Yeah. But first, time to put that O-ring in there. Well, all it is a round brush on an all thread in a hand drill. Yeah. We'll look at it, see if it needs a little more.